Hello, my name is Madhu and I work in the Mississauga library system. Today we are going to make friendship bracelet. Friendship bracelets are so much fun to make and share. So things you need to make this bracelet are 3 colors of embroidery thread, tape and scissors. So let's begin. So your first step is to cut two 30 inches pieces of each color of embroidery thread. Gather 6 strands and tie a knot, leaving a 4 inches tail. So here is my knot. So next we are going to tape the thread down just above the knot. Sort the strands by color. Now take the first strand and loop it over the second so it becomes like a 4. Now take the first strand, make a 4 and underneath the second strand and through the loop. Yeah. So now you have your first knot. Hold the second strand and again make a 4 underneath the second strand and through the loop. Now you have your second knot. Okay, so you're going to repeat the same step, making a 4 in all the strands. I'm going to repeat the same steps which I did before. So this is my first black strand and this is going to go all the way to the end. We already made 2 knots here. I'm going to repeat the same steps. With blue, make a 4, loop it under and make a knot. You should have first knot. Now your second knot. Set these two aside. We are going by the color, so second strand of blue color, make a 4, loop it under your first knot and your second knot. So now we're already done with black and blue, so just separate them so it's easy to distinguish. Now we're going to go with the red. So first strand of red color, make a 4, loop it under and make a knot. 2 knots here. The last strand, here. So we completed our first round of black. Now we have the second. So we are going to repeat the same steps. Hold your first black strand and your second blue strand, make a 4, loop under and make your first knot, and then your second knot, then your again second blue, so this is my finished bracelet and I tied a knot with all the strands at the end of the bracelet and cut the extra strands. I'm going to show you the closer picture of the bracelet which I made. Thank you for watching. Make sure to log into our website for details on what's coming and our 24/7 digital services, ebooks, audiobooks and more.